Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a real quick look at a brand new 2023 XLR Hyper Lite 3517 toy hauler travel trailer. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside of the RV, kind of show you what this thing is all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are up inside the brand new 2023 XLR Hyper Lite 3517 model here. This is a toy hauler, one slide out. We're going to start back here in the back section, and we'll kind of work our way forward. So first things up, this has the bed system. So the lower area is currently in dinette mode. There is actually a second table that would go there, but I left it out so we could walk through here a little easier. But this lower section, you can sit down, eat. You can also pin the top bunk up to give you more walk room here. Or you could also lower that into bed mode as well, so you have extra sleeping. So you could sleep 4 people right here in this section if you wanted to. Now this little sofa over here will flip up against the wall, or you could flip it down into bed mode and sleep 1 or 2 small people here as well. So you could sleep roughly 5 or 6 people back in just this section. These tables just have removable legs. Back here at the transition area, it has rubber diamond plate floor, which will allow you to kind of grip a little better when you're rolling up in here with your bikes or your razors. Step out onto the party deck area here. So this has the patio rail system. There is a gate in the middle here. Now there is an aftermarket set of steps you could buy to step off the back area if you wanted to. Spinning around here, just kind of looking at the rear end of the RV. This has a drop-down screen / wall. There's little flappers that you can drop down, little privacy flappers as well. Zips up and down in the middle. It is Velcroed on, so you can remove it if you don't want it on there. Just up above, you got a couple ramp lights, and then you also have prepping for the Furrion backup camera. But a decent amount of room back here. The party deck area is rated for 1,500 pounds when it's in patio mode. There is a little roof vent up there. So now just kind of coming up here, we have 2 chairs as well. Those are completely freestanding Euro style reclining chairs. They are currently strapped into place for transport, but that right there, you could move out of the way and bring your bike up in here. And then you also have, again, this sofa, which will flip up against the wall, giving you more room. Big window overlooking the awning side or campsite area as well. So lots of visual space here. They're currently using the pull down roller shades, blackout shades, on most of the windows. But right back here you have pleated night shades. And then you have a metal mini blind behind the sink. Lots of D-rings in the floor, and then they come all the way up here to the front. So you could bring in a couple different vehicles depending on your size if you needed to. There is a nice size drawer down below, kind of matching the oven look. So you have a big drawer down here. Then you have the Furrion oven with the light built in, light up knobs, 3-burner stove top. And it also has the flip up and down glass lid. Quite a bit of storage beside here. And then you have 4 drawers, full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers. Lots of overhead cabinet space and the big Furrion microwave as well. The unit also has a tire pressure monitoring system as well. The window behind the sink does not open, but does still kind of let in a lot of natural light. 32-inch electric fireplace, which is basically a fancy electric space heater. There is a battery disconnect just below that. You have a JBL stereo system up here, which controls your indoor and outdoor speakers. Some more storage space here. And they're currently using a Connects TV. And then just up here is a camera. So that right there will allow you to see what's going on with your toy while you're driving down the road. There is basically an app that you put on your phone, allows it to kind of connect together. This also was ordered with solar panel system. So you have a solar panel on the roof, and then you have a 30 amp charge controller here. One AC and furnace control right here, digital thermostat, generator, start, stop, hour meter. It is pre-prepped for generator. The generator itself is an option though. If you want that, you can pick and choose whether you do or not. You have the bed lift button here to raise those beds up and down in the back. A bunch of light switches, 12 volt tank heaters, fuel pump cutoff switch, slide out button, awning button, some water heater buttons, water pump buttons, and your monitor panels all located right here. High-rise sprayer faucet undermount sink does have the little strainer cover thing here. You got a button here for inverters type of stuff. There's also a gas electric Dometic refrigerator here. This is, I think, 8.3 cubic feet roughly, but it works off propane or electricity. There's a drawer down below, and then you have cabinet space below and above as well. Now on the right side here, we have the bathroom area. So let's kind of start from the top down here. So there is an AC duct up here. You have a large turbo exhaust fan. You have the skylight up above, ABS tub surround, big medicine cabinet actually, and a little bit of counter space here, some storage below, but a step-in shower with the pull across door, porcelain foot flush toilet. There's also a heat duct down here as well. So it's an okay sized bathroom for a toy hauler trailer. Not quite as big as some of the fifth wheels, but still gets the job done. Bedroom up here in the front area. So let's kind of look up top. This one was ordered with the second AC that you're seeing there. That little blue sticker up there on the ceiling is prepping for the Winegard Air 360 Plus antenna that's on the roof. There's a gateway connect you can buy and put on there. And that would allow you to subscribe to like AT&T or Verizon or somebody and get Wi-Fi in your RV with you. Big windows throughout this bedroom area in the front windshield section there. All right, so at the foot of the bed, let's step in here and just kind of look around a little bit. So down here at the foot of the bed, you got kind of a dresser area. There's 4 drawers there, heat duct coming out, central vac with a dustpan vac, and electric box as well. Quite a bit of counter space here. The window opens, pull down nightshade. You have a little closet and drawer space and cabinet space over there as well. Now you have kind of like this little sitting area here, and you can sit here, read a book, whatever, look out the front window. You have electric outlets and USB charger ports up here. There is a little bit of shelf space back there as well. But this area right here also raises up, and there's storage underneath of there. There is a little bit of room around the foot of the bed as well. There's that second dinette table there and the extra legs. Windows in your bed area, basically a bedroom slide. There's TV hookups on the wall over there, second digital thermostat, and you have electric outlet over there, light switch as well. But a fairly good sized bedroom for a couple adults. All right, now I want to head outside. I want to show you around the outside of the RV. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are back on the outside of the brand new 2023 XLR Hyper Lite 3517 model here. We're going to start here on the door side, kind of work our way around for you. So first things up, we have a white fiberglass exterior, aluminum studded foam block insulated sidewalls. It is a laminated sidewall. You have a black lower metal skirting, deep tint safety glass windows. On the front side right here, there is a storage compartment, which is underneath the bed area you've seen when we were inside. A little bit of room here for outside storage. You have power awning, LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV, adjustable arms for tilting, and you also have that manual override in the front arm head in case of an electronic failure. The unit is currently using the Lippert solid step, comes down, touches the ground, adjustable feet, rated for 400 pounds. There's a little amber light back there as well. Large folding entry handle to help you get in and out of the RV there. Traditional RV entry door and screen door. Does have the window in the door, and it is also Lippert thin shade ready. There's an aftermarket shade you can buy for it. Couple speakers above your window up there. There's also a cable outlet, electric outlet, and a TV bracket right back there, so you could mount you a TV outside if you wanted. Now, suspension-wise, they're currently using Goodyear Endurance tires, aluminum wheels, Easy Lube hubs, drum brakes, tire pressure monitoring system for safety. That's real important. And it also has the upgraded CRE 3000 suspension upgrade there, which kind of acts like shock absorbers for an RV. This one was ordered with the standard 4 stabilizer jacks that are heavy-duty scissor jacks. So there's 2 on the back and 2 on the front. You've seen the ramp patio here when we were inside, but this is kind of what it looks like from ground level. Again, you have a little gate in the middle back here that you can open up. And if you want, you can buy a set of steps aftermarket and walk off the back, or open it up and kind of jump. You've seen when we were in here earlier, we have 2 lights up there, also prepping for the Furrion rear observation camera. That is a really nice safety feature to consider adding to your RV. And again, that rear kind of screen wall with the drop down flappers. We have a light over here on this side. Look at the shine coming off of that fiberglass. They use a really nice high gloss gel coat fiberglass stuff. Just a little bit fancier than some of the less expensive models out there. Down here you have a place for your fuel station, so you could take gas with you and basically fill up your Razor. You can also use the same gas tank for a generator if you do the generator feature. And right down below here's also a dump hose holder tube as well. Now, just underneath of here is your freshwater tank drain right there. Detachable power cord here. It's probably about 30 feet long roughly. That is 50 amp electric service on this particular unit. There is also a hot and cold outside utility shower here, and there's a little spray port hose that you can plug into that. There is black tank flush right here, city water inlet, and your freshwater tank fill also right here. Now just up ahead here is hot and cold low point water drains, and then all 3 of your dump handles pull right here, and everything dumps out of this one location. The dump handle gate valves are up inside the underbelly, so it is less likely to have freeze-up issues in colder weather camping. You have freshwater, or the 6-gallon gas electric water heater right here. You also have your furnace exhausting out right here, and you have your refrigerator access panel for maintenance here as well. And then you have cable and satellite inlets also. Up here a little bit further, you have the generator compartment. So you got generator prep, or you can actually get the generator installed at the factory or do one aftermarket yourself if you'd like. Here we have some important informational stickers. So unloaded vehicle weight, 9,081 pounds, 35 feet 6 inches long, ST 235/80 R16 E-range tires, production date sticker, gross vehicle weight, 11,985 pounds. You have your VIN number and stuff again. So you got a few different informational stickers here to keep up with. Two 20-pound propane tanks on the front, power tongue jack on the front as well, heavy duty safety chains, 2 5/16 hitch ball, and your battery area. And you have a windshield on the front right here. Some LED lights as well. All right, we're gonna head back inside and close it up for you. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are back inside the brand new 2023 XLR 3517 toy hauler here. And I just wanted to show you what it looks like closed up real quick. You're not really, when we close up the slides, we're not affecting any of this back section. So you got full access to your garage, your kitchen, your bathroom area. But the part that does change up is gonna be the little slide out area here in the bedroom. So when you are ready to bring it in, you just push the button. It is a 12-volt slide, and this comes straight in and goes straight out. So pretty easy to do, but it kind of comes in and goes right over top of that little dresser area right there, right at the edge. So if you are coming in here to sleep at like a rest area, or maybe load some of your clothes or whatever you might want to, I still have full access to come in here. I can kind of climb over my bed, get to the little storage area over there, the closet area or whatever. So you have room to truly kind of come in here and still use it with it closed up if you needed to. All right, folks, thanks for taking the time to watch my RV videos. Really do appreciate it. Please be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Will definitely save you a lot of money if you're interested in saving some money. Thanks again.